Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate, and the name of today's podcast is How to Find the Hoshizaki Ice Machine Cleaning Sheets. This was a conversation that I've had with a number of members and other clients about getting into the commercial side of things. I mean, there's no better way to get into it than through ice makers and possibly coffee brewers. But ice makers would be my first suggestion. Um, and I've talked about this on a number of videos, some live streams with Mike Reed on his channel, and some of my videos. I've also explained that it's a key thing to get in to the commercial side through cleaning ice makers or servicing ice makers. So a lot of you have mentioned that you don't really know the steps in cleaning the ice makers. So this particular podcast, I'm going to talk about the Hoshizaki website, and I'm going to leave the link that you see on the screen. I'm going to leave that link in the description as well, so that you can go to this link. And what I want to show you is when you go to the link, you're going to come to this page, product manuals and guides. Just scroll down a bit until you see pocket guides and cleaning sheets. And then go down a little further. And then right there, everyone, this is all of the cleaning sheets. This gives you the step-by-step procedure to cleaning the ice machine. Now, keep in mind that it is a good thing to attend at least one in-person training with the manufacturer, Hoshizaki. So keep that in mind as well, because that will be of a help to you. But if you're out there and you're wanting to get into the service side of things, and you're not really 100% on how to clean each model, each make, each model of machine, then this would be the place to go, so that you can get the cleaning sheets for every model number. These numbers that you see in the beginning of the link for each sheet, this is for the DCM 270BAH model. So these are each of the models, so that's every model. So you wouldn't have to really worry as far as not knowing how to clean the ice maker. The matter is when you're gonna take a step and like get to this website, get the manual, and take that step and start going out there and seeing if you can get some work cleaning the ice makers, which then would turn into you being able to set up a service contract with that customer, so that you would come out every 3 to 4 months. And this is how you build your clientele. So these are the all of the models for the ice makers and the cleaning sheets according to the manufacturer. So you have no worries. And then there's still more. They have them for all of their equipment. So just go there and pick up these cleaning sheets as you go, and then that way you'll have a thorough knowledge of how to clean them. It's just a matter of you getting out and actually doing it. The other thing I wanted to touch on with Hoshizaki website is this manual here, this booklet, ice machine cleaning and sanitizing. Let's go in, see what it, let me show you why I like this booklet the most, because it really breaks down each model at a time. It's not, it's kind of like in general thing on cleanings for cleaning and sanitizing, but at the same time, it'll split it up. It'll split up the explanations for each model if there's differences. So it's a really good it, it's a really good booklet to get, and you can just go right on that website and go to it. So this is it here. It's not. Oh, give me 1 second. Let me see why it's not coming over on your end. Let me see if I can. Give me 1 second. Sorry about the hold up. Oh, this one here. Okay. Yeah, this one here, this booklet, this booklet really gets into a lot of the different makes, the different models, the breakdown of each part. They have very good images to show you how it works, like kind of like a hands-on type of feel to it, and it breaks down every component of the ice maker as far as cleaning. So I mean, this is really a good manual to pick up, and um, I don't know if you can catch it, but this QR code, if you could scan that, you could also, go right to that's a direct link right there. So I would advise, everyone that if you're working on ice makers and or planning to, this would be a site to go to, the Hoshizaki link, and I'm gonna put it in the description. But this would be a good place to start as far as learning about the cleaning process and procedures on different models, different makes, and stuff like that. This would be a good starting point for you. And I mean, it's got really good images. Shows you the switches and everything like that. And it's breaking it down according to each model. So each page is like a different model. So it's like very thorough. I'm just going up, and that's a different model right there, and then they go into the full cleaning process. So it's really not bad. I mean, I think this is really could be a big help to those who are looking to get into the industry. Those of you who maybe um, may have not been working on the ice makers in a while and could use like a refresher or something. These sheets are are a blessing, man. These sheets are like, a real good thing to have. So I would advise hitting that link and then going there to their site and go to the manual section and get that ice machine cleaning and sanitizing booklet. It's 28 pages, as you saw. So um, I mean, it's a really good thing. So now I'm also putting on the screen the Hoshizaki tech support line for those of you who are working on Hoshizaki equipment. That's their tech support line there. Give you a second to take that down. Okay, and then don't forget to click the link for the Hoshizaki service manuals link below in the description. I'm going to leave that in the description there. Yeah, and as you probably seen scrolling across the screen, if you were interested in attending a free FBD 4-hour training, just send me an email to learn a trade one, the number one, at gmail.com. Just send me an email that you're interested in. I will put you on the list. And again, it's nothing that's set in stone yet. So it's just a thing on us having a head count of who would like to attend. And then FBD will then let us know once they have set up their training schedule. So definitely look into that. To my Zoom workshop that's coming up in May on the 28th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I will also put that invite in the link. I'm sorry, in the description. I'll put the link in the description below. So look out for that, and hopefully you all can attend the workshop. But that's all I have for now. I thank you all for joining me. Take care and stay well.